category data types. And that almost we completed the properties. Next we are coming forward. Functions. Is the add function is clear? Set is mutable or immutable? Both. Mutable in which case? Add method. Immutable in which case? Item assignment. Okay, both of them you have seen it. That's very important. And set will organize unique values or duplicate values? Yes. Can we apply any indexing and slicing on it? No. Why we cannot apply, ma? Because we can't, set cannot maintain the, yes. So we can't determine in which order which elements are available. Okay. And one more thing most important, I uploaded just 15 minutes back total notes up to yesterday. So far all the online students are requested to listen my voice. All the notes up to yesterday, I just uploaded everything. Just you can download those things, right? Fine. So next we'll cover clear function. The clear function, you know, it will remove all the elements from where? Set. Coming to the point back, let us start with this. Check it out once. Go to that and take one set. S1 is equal to, say quickly here, right, ma? Say something like HYD, right? Print of S1, done. LEN of S1, 3. Next what? S1 dot what? Clear. Print what? S1, what the value? Empty. Then LEN of S1, 0. Can I clear the elements of set or not? Yes. So write down. Add function is already done, ma. And now one by one we'll complete that. Write down. This function is used for removing all the elements, clearing or removing all the elements, from set object. And dear students, please don't think that set object is removed. All the elements are removed. Okay. Syntax. Set object, set obj dot clear. Set obj dot clear. Example. S1 is equal to 1020 HYD LEN of S1, which will print 3. Print of will write directly S1 dot clear. S1 dot clear. Now print of S1, set off. This is empty. This represents empty. LEN of S1, which will print 0. Fine. So simple. Next function, discard. Write on the function name, discard function. Important. See carefully. Other things you don't worry, only that part you see. Discard. What is the purpose of discard? to remove an element by passing the value in it. Look at that. I will take S1 is equal to, I will reinitialize that values. Print of S1 ma values are this. Now I want to discard. Discard is nothing but what? Removing. I want to remove this 20. How do you remove ma? S1 dot discard of 1 minute. Discard of 20. See that? What is happening? Removed and not returning anything. It is reflected to the S1 only. It is reflected to the S1 only. Right? Print of what? S1. What is not there? 20 was not there. You try to say once again ma, of something like 100 you say, or something like 100 like this. What is happening? It is not there and not reflecting to the set. See, print that S1. It is not going to be there and not removing anything. Are you understanding? Now, see guys, one more I am applying ma. Now you see, I will say pop. I will say S1 dot pop. What is that pop? No position I am passing. S1 dot pop. So it is going to be latest element. Latest element in the sense, don't think that last element or first element, because we can't say that is only the latest element, because it won't maintain what order? Insertion order. In any order it can be showing to us. Are you getting? Right? Once again, take HYD, TS, Python, next India, like this. These are my set elements. Now I will say what? S1 dot what? Pop. Which element will be removed? According to the list, which element is removed? Last element. Because list maintains insertion order, you can come to know that which is the latest element. As far as this set is concerned, we can't understand that which is the latest element, because in any possibility it can display. Are you getting guys? Which element is removed? Arbitrarily element will be removed. I used that word even previously also. Arbitrary element means any element from that it can be removed. Okay na? So see that 20 removed in this case. Print of what? S1, 20 was not there. Once again you call S1 dot pop. Some element will be removed from that. What is that? HYD. Print of what? S1. Are you getting my point? In which case I will give you, suppose I have 1000 OTPs. 1000 OTPs I have. I want to send to you one OTP. What I will do? I will pop out from OTP set and I will send to you. What it indicates? Randomly I am selecting one OTP and I am sending to you. Next time another OTP for somebody. Are you getting my point? In that case I can use this type of pop. Shall I move forward? Yes. Now S1 dot, see guys, one more I am saying ma, remove of what? TS. Remove of what? TS. One more method for removing. What is happening? Removed. Print of what ma? Yes. Done. Now S1 dot remove of TS something like I say 200. Is 200 is there? Not there. What is that error ma? Key error. It was not there. So discard method, pop method. First discard method is, if it is present it will be removed. If it is not present it won't remove. Remove method will remove if the element is found. If the element is not found, we get what? Error. These are all called a different story, different mechanisms of removing an element. How many ways are there just to remove an element? Number 1, pop. Number 2, remove. Number 3, general pop of position in our list. Are you getting? Next, del off. Can I delete a particular element of set? Think del off S1 of 0. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Then you said some yes sir like that. When I am asking, think about it. Why it is not possible? You only tell me. Because indexing and slicing are not subscriptable, are not possible to apply. When I am not possible to apply that, how can I apply del function? That's why not possible. You will get an error. What is that error? Set does not support item deletion. So how many ways are there to remove the elements of set? Number one, please discard function, pop function, remove, clear is all elements. Can I remove the element from by delete? Del? No. With the list what I can remove? Ma? Remove of item, pop of position, pop of without position, next del of position, slicing also, clear is also there. No confusions. Are you okay? Right. So I will move forward. I will move forward. So shall we write discard? Now you got an idea. Write down. CM wording used to remove. Used for removing a value. Removing the specified value. Specified value from set object, and it won't return any deleted element. The bracket, even the element found or not. Even the element found or not. If it is found, removed. If not found, not removed. If you want, I can write like that. If the element found, then it is removed. Otherwise not. Otherwise not. Otherwise not means you'll get doubt. Otherwise not deleted. Not deleted. Syntax, set obj dot discard of value. Example please. S1 is equal to 10 comma 20 comma HYD Python. S1 dot discard of 10. What happens? Here 10 removed or not? Removed. Print of S1. It will print 20 HYD Python. S1 dot discard of 100. Here 100 not found and not deleted. Right, ma? We'll give separate examples, so it will have clarity in your notes also. Yes, ma. Kaushal Tata. Right. If two 20s are there in the set, first of all, Kaushal Tata. Is it possible to write two 20s in the set, ma? Is it possible? Yes, sir. Set allows which elements? Unique elements. Set allows which elements? No, ma, set I am talking about. The Kaushal is asking, is it possible if, sir, what if two 20s are there in a set? Will it discard both 20s? Is it possible to have two 20s, ma, Kaushal? No. Right. Then how this is possible? How this is possible? So set allows what elements? Unique values. So there is no question of having two 20s. Okay, na? Already that points are very, very important. That properties are very important. That is the base for everything. If you understand the points, na, you never get any doubt. Everything is green, ecosystem. Right? Green. Okay. Now coming to the point of next, I will go for it. Then let me write it. Fourth also you write down. Other functions you leave it. I will take up. Next write down. Remove. Remove. Let me give here itself remove. Write down. This function is removing an item, removing a value, anything from set object. From set object. Set object. I applied remove object on list also. If two 20s are there, which 20 will be removed, ma? Which 20 will be removed? First occurrence 20. First occurrence 20. Already we addressed that point. If other 20 you want to remove, what we will do? We will keep it in the loop. We will write a loop and it will be removed. Are you following? That I will show you. No, nothing to worry. We will take care of that. Yes. Remove the value from the set. If the element is unable to remove, if the value is unable to remove, we get what? Key error. We get key error. We get key error. Syntax. Set obj dot remove of value. Syntax. Now you go for example, ma. S1 is equal to apple, kiwi, like this. Then S1 dot remove of apple, remote, print of S1. So it is going to print the rest of the elements. Now I am seeing one more. S1 dot remove of I am writing SB, some strawberry. What is happening? Error will come. What is that error, ma? Key error. Why key error? Because SB does not exist in where? S1. Set of elements. SB does not exist because, can write, because SB does not exists in S1. Does not exist in S1. Let me write pop also here. Okay, let it be pop. I will give you separately. I don't want to mix it. Let me give clarity in the discussion. Clear? Next. Fifth, write down POP, pop. This function removes. Come on, what is that? Removes which element? Random element. I will use the perfect arbitrarily element. Arbitrarily element. Arbitrary element means nothing but what? Random element. given set object, any one of the value, set object dot pop, pop, syntax this is. Okay. Now, example also, S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. S1 dot pop, we can't say that which element is removed, and it is returned the value also. That element I am taking 20, for example. What is this 20? Arbitrarily element removed. Arbitrarily element removed. Print of S1. It will print 10, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. What not? We can't apply what? Del function on set object for removing an element. But we can remove what? We can delete complete set object. Complete set object. That's the point. Because without learning libraries, there is no life. Okay, na? Right. Let us come to the subset and superset. I want to discuss at a time. Subset and superset, you tried it, first listen the concept. Observe the practical example, then we will go for it. 6 and 7. And you can understand easily that part. Not a difficult at all. After writing both of them, I will give a combined example for it. See that. Coming to that, I am having S1 is equal to, I am having Monday, comma Tuesday, comma Wednesday. Next is called what you know, Thursday. Next is called Friday, comma Saturday, and next is called Sunday. Okay, what is this called? Set, weekdays. Okay, now print of what? S1. We can't expect in which order it will be coming. It will be coming in its own order. Any possibility? All the elements came or not? Yes. Now S2 is equal to, I am saying something like Wednesday, Sunday, and next is called Monday. This is another set. Now you tell me, what is the relation between S1 and S2? What is the relation between Wednesday? 1 minute, ma. D. I will take a D. Wednesday. Okay? This you forget about it. Now, right. This you take freshly. These two things. Okay? Which one is superset and which one is subset? S1 is superset. S2 is right. Because every element of S2 is a part of what? S1. And you know, every set is a subset to itself. Our mathematics theory. And I will apply two functions. Tell me, subset you apply, please. and make the return true. Apply. Subset is a subset function returns true if the set is subset of another set. Come on. S2 is subset of S1. What is S2, ma? Wednesday, Sunday, Monday is a subset of S1? Yes. Then what is returning? True. Apply reverse, ma? 1 and then what? 2. False. Because S1 is superset and S2 is less elements are there. It is called what? False. Simple. And I will apply one more also, ma. I will say what? Super. S1 is superset of S2. True. True. Apply what? S2 is a superset of what? Yes. False. Are you okay? Shall we write? So is it understandable? Every set is a subset of what? Itself. S1 is a superset of S1. True. S1 is a subset of what? Subset you go. S2 is a subset to itself. No problem. S1 is a subset to itself. Are you getting? Yes. Are you okay? Now I will ask one question. Set of dot is a subset of S2. Tell me. Now, if you look at me, it's no, there is no use. What is this? Set. Empty set is the subset of what? S2. S2 is containing 3 elements. Every empty set is a subset to what? Another set now. So coming to the point of it, what is that? True. Here, this is called empty set. Dot what? Is subset of S2. Are you okay? Shall we write? Shall I continue? This type of questions you expected. This type of questions you expected where you can start thinking about it. Shall I continue? Right. Coming to that, is a subset, is a superset. Write down. This function returns true. This function returns true provided one set is a subset of another set. Otherwise, it returns what? False. You write syntax, you write there. Set to obj1 dot is a subset of set to obj2. I'll give combined example for both of them. Is a superset. Is a superset of this. Example I will take. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you understood all of them, right? Now I will take S1 is equal to some elements I will take ma 10, 20, 30, 40. S2 S2 is equal to, I'll say 20, 10, 20, 10. S1 dot is a subset of S2. S2 dot is a subset of S1. S1 is superset of S2. I'm just giving blank for you. You need to fill up that. S2 is superset of S1. Special case. Set of dot is a subset. Is a subset of S1. I'm expecting answer. S1 is a subset of set of. Beautiful question. Waiting for your answer, ma. What is this? Still you are writing or what? S1 contains 10, 20, 30, 40, ma. S2 is what? 20, 10. S2 is a superset of S1. S1 is a superset of S2. True. Next, please. Okay. Next, please. S1. This is called empty set. Already you know empty set will be created like this. Okay. Come on. True. Okay. Next. Okay. False. False. Why false? S1 contains what elements? 10, 20, 30, 40. Is it a subset of empty set? False. I will write this. Set of dot is a subset of set of. Come on. Every empty set is a subset to itself. Check it out. Check it out, please. Look at true. True. Special case. Right. Okay, subset, superset we discussed. Subset, superset discussed. After that, don't write union. Wait. Method function number 7. 8, I will go for it. Look at that. Even if I don't discuss, you don't know this. If I discuss, you will be rich in the subject. You please ensure everybody. If I say only set properties, I said it is finished. But you will become a blunt student. So I want to make you as an intelligent in thinking about this. Come on, going back. Come on to the point. Take one set, ma. Take one set. What is my set? S2, some element. S1, some element. S3 is equal to some data science, some Python, comma, IoT. This is my answer set. Is there any relation between S1 and S3? Any relation between S1 and S3? They are called disjoint sets. Disjoint. There is no joint. Disjoint. Disjoint means different sets. How do you decide whether it is a disjoint or joint? By using a function called is disjoint. What is the function? Disjoint sets are nothing but different elements are there in different sets. Now we will check it out. Come on, please. S1 dot disjoint is disjoint. Disjoint of what? S3. Come on. What is your answer? It is a question mark. Yes or no answer questions. True na false? See that? True. Even I can write S3 disjoint of what? S1. You can check it out. True. Now, you say, tell me, S2 is disjoint from S2. Why? Some relation is there. So what is that now? False. Are you getting my point? See guys, S4 is equal to Monday and comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. 4 comma 5 comma 6.7. S4. Come on. S4 dot disjoint of S1. What is that? See that. Don't take one element. Complete. Is these elements are there here? Come on. No, don't think one element. Others are there. Complete you are taking. Complete. That's why I address this point. Because there is a possibility of making the people to think say true. But what is this? Other element. Completely. Are you getting or not? Shall I move forward? Yes, one more time. I will write here Python. Come on, start with S2 dot disjoint of S1. What is happening? Why? Python is not there. Are you following? Next S2 disjoint of what? S3. What is that? Yes. What is that? S2. What is S2? These elements. Are you following? What is S3? What is the disjoint? Come on. Are they disjoint or same? Disjoint sets only. Are you okay? Okay. Once again. 10, 20, 30, 40. S2 is equal to Java, Python. S3 is equal to 10 comma Java. 10 comma Java. Start. Again I will take S4 is equal to 10 comma 20. Start. S1 dot, no confusions. S1 dot is disjoint of what? S2. What is that? True. Why? No common elements. No? Right. Completely different. This is only the final answer, final solution for you. Now I will go for it. Now S1 dot disjoint of S3. What is that? False. Why? There is one element called what? 10. Are they disjoint? No, because one common element is there or not? Yes. Next, check it out. S1 dot disjoint of which one? S2 already. S1 dot disjoint of S2. S1 dot disjoint of S3. S1 dot disjoint of S4. Come on. Right. False. Are you okay? Now S2 dot disjoint of which one I will take? S4 I will take. True. Totally disjoint. Now you tell me what something you are saying. S1 dot disjoint of which one? Yes sir. 2 already over. S1 dot disjoint of no common elements. They are called a disjoint element only. If there is a common element, they are called what? Joint element. That is called false. Disjoint returns true if the elements of both the sets are completely different. Each disjoint method returns false if any one of the element is common. Okay now. Shall I move forward? Yes. Coming to the point. Is disjoint. is disjoint. This function returns true. This function returns true provided both the sets are having which elements? Different elements. This function returns true provided both the sets are having different elements. Continue. This function returns false. Detailed. Provided both the sets are having what elements? Common elements. Same means don't expect as it is. Some common elements. Having some common element or having at least one common element. That is better, na? Having at least one common element. That's perfect. Syntax. Set obj1 dot is disjoint of set obj2 example. S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. You only fill up that. I will just give you example. S2 is equal to Java, Python. S3 is equal to 10, true. S4 is equal to Java. Relate S4 is equal to Java and 12.34. Now I'll prepare the statements. S1 dot is disjoint of S2. Answer I want. You do it. You do write it. When I ask, you try to answer. Is disjoint of S3. S4. Without confusion, if you answer, you are perfect. Sit properly. Lost. Sit like a classroom. Huh? Start. Come on, ma. True. Why true? S1 and S2 are same or different? Different. See, this function returns true provided both the sets are having which elements? Different elements completely. Okay, it is true. Second one, please. S1 dot disjoint of S3 having at least one common element. What is it? Yes. Next, S1 dot disjoint of S4. Ma? Disjoint S1 dot disjoint of S3. S4, S4. True. Yes, true. Why? Because there is no common element. There is no common element at all. Okay? So with peace of mind, you think about it. Answer will come out. If you hurriedly try to answer, you will get it. Disjoint sets are those which are having completely different content. Okay, right. So that is done. Next I will go for most frequently coming across thing, union. Right up? Union. Intersection. Look at first question. Look at that. My requirement is we have set A. There are some 10 people are playing football. There is another set who are playing some shuttle. And there are some 10 people are playing what? Football. 10 more people are playing what? Shuttle. How many total people, how many people are playing either shuttle or football? Which operation I will apply? Union. Both the people, either shuttle or football. Both of them I want. I will apply what? Union. And there are common players are there. They are playing both football as well as shuttle. They are called what? Intersection. Which one? Intersection. Are you getting? Football set, shuttle set. Unique people are, common people are intersection. Combined people are called union. I want to take only the people who are playing football without playing what? Shuttle. That is called what? Difference. Difference, minus. I want to take only shuttle players without taking what? Football players. That two players are common, they will not come. Only shuttle players will come. This is a requirement will come across to you. Are you getting me? Take one more example. Tomato is a fruit or vegetable. Amma? Fruit, huh? Vegetable, huh? Fruit. Will you, that tomato, will you use it in fruit juice? No. Is it a vegetable or fruit? So it is taken as what? Of course. It is taken as what? Intersection. It can be sometimes called as vegetable, sometimes it is called as what? Fruit. But mango, pineapple, these are all called what? Vegetable set is different, fruit set is different. There is an intersection element is called, some element is common. And don't take this example, because to enter into the subject into your mind quickly, I use this example. And if you don't have that vegetable knowledge example, don't touch this example at all. One more example. 250 people are learning Python here offline. And 101 people are there in the online. And this, in this, these are called what set? Python set. There is a Java set. There is a Java set. 160 people are online and 160 people are offline and 120 people are offline, online and online, for example. In that some common people are there or not? That common people are called what? Intersection. Total people are called what? Union. Only Java students are called what? Different. Only Python students are called what? Difference. Are you understanding when to apply difference, union and intersection? Shall we see the example? But come on, ma. I will take. Let us take freshly. Right. See that S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. S2 is equal to, very good example, and many times you will come across these operations. Next I am saying 30, 40, 15, 25. 25. Can I take 25 also? Kaushal, I am asking you, can I take 25? Come on. No, why? 2 times 25 is coming. Even if I take it, not a problem. It will come only one time. Print off S1. So elements are coming. Print off S2. Elements are coming. Is S1 and S2 disjoint or joint? Disjoint or joint? Why? At least one common element is there. Common element is there or not? Yes. Yes. So now I will apply union. Come on, apply S1 dot C. I will write like this. S3 is equal to union set I am taking. S1 dot union of what? S2. S1 elements plus S2 elements combined together are taking in where? S3. Union operation returning the resultant in where? S3. Enter key. Print of what? S3. See that all elements are coming by removing the duplicate elements. See who is that players? 30, 40 are the both the players in both the places. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40 plus what? Here 15, 25. 15, 25. 25 two times. How many times came? This is known as which operation? Union operation. Are you okay? Right. Now shall I move to intersection? Come on please. S4 is equal to, S4 is equal to, tell me, S1 dot, intersection of what? S2. Intersection means what? Common element. In our childhood days, we learned Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. And you are not remembering your childhood days, I think so. Because your childhood days started with mobile only. So you forget your Venn diagrams. But I am remembering Venn diagrams. Still I am remembering. Right. Start. Print of what? S4. What is the output, please? 30? Very good. 30, 40. In any order it can come. Yes, done. Next, I want to take only the players of S1. I don't want to take S2 players. Only. What is that only? 10, 20. I don't, 30 and 40 here also there. That is called S1 minus S2. Remove the common elements from both the sets and print the elements from source set. Yes or no? S5 is equal to S1 dot difference of S2. S1 minus S2. Remove the common elements, strike off. Elements from where? S1. If I use S2 first and S1 first, S1 later, what will come? Exclusive elements of S2. Are you okay? Print what? S5. What are the elements? Remove the common elements. Common elements remove. 30, 40, 30, 40. Remove. What are the elements from S1? S6. I will take S6 of what? S2 difference of, what is the output mark? 15. 15. Yes. 15. Print of S6. What is that? Are you understanding difference? Yes. Shall I show you the special case? Special case. Right. This is carried forward as it is. Now special case. I will reinitialize my sets once again. Back to the S1. Back to S2. S2. Okay, where is S2? S2. Okay. S2. Tell me. S1, S3 is equal to special case. S3. S3 is equal to S1 or symbol R. Where I will address that? Bitwise operators. Extraordinary discussion. Of course, you don't feel, guys, you are already completed C language. Nobody knows bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are there in Java also. Bitwise operators are there in C++ also, C language also. Any language you learn, operators are common. In written test, you may get the questions on any of the operators or not, I don't know. Compulsory bitwise operators questions will be at least 2 to 3 will be there. Compulsory questions. Now I am applying R. What is that R? I will explain with the table. This R, bitwise operator R, I am using for what? Union operation. Real-time implementation of R is bitwise operator. R is for what? Union. So what is this now? S2. S2. Print what? S3. What are the elements coming? What elements are coming, ma? All the elements are coming from both S1 and. So in place of union, what I can use? R. They will ask you, explain how this symbol will work. Compulsory they will ask you, because a student can remember and they will reproduce as it is. How it will come? Explain. You need to explain with binary bits. I will explain. Even if you forget, I will explain. Because morning 9 o'clock, it is going on. I am explaining the bitwise operators with set operations. You will forget when I come to that. But I will explain this with respect to that. Are you understanding? What is the function union equal to? Bitwise OR. Spell out once. OR. Okay. Now S4 is equal to S1 single ampersand of what? S2. Single ampersand is called bitwise AND. Spell out. It is used to do what? Intersection. What is that? Intersection. Print what ma? S4. What is the elements printed? 40, 30. Intersection is equal to what? Bitwise AND. Bitwise AND. Next I am using. What is the next? S1 dot difference of this, and I am using what? Minus. What is that? Minus. Normal minus. Normal minus is used for generally what purpose? Subtract the elements, but I am using minus here. Right? Let us come to the arithmetic operators. We will talk about it. What is that? S4. Better? Okay, no problem. What I got it? 10, 20. Next, S4 is equal to S2 minus what? S1. What is coming? Print to S4. What are the elements? 25 and 15. Now, conclusion. Union is equal to which operator I can use? Bitwise OR and Japan. Malla R. Once he say you need to fix it. Union is equal to what? Bitwise OR. Next, intersection. Bitwise. And what is the symbol? Single ampersand. Difference minus. Okay, na? Is it clear? Shall I go back? Go to our concept window. Right? Union, intersection, difference. I will write both of them and I will give the combined example for all. Write down. This function obtains all the elements from those sets which are used in union operation. Syntax. Set obj1 dot union. 1 minute ma. Set obj3 is equal to set obj1 dot union of set obj2. See the resultant one. Set obj3. Also I will write it. Then combined example I will give for all of them. This function obtains common elements. That is an important. Common elements from two sets. It's not only two sets, I can apply any number of sets, dear students. From any number of sets. I will show you that example also for you, don't worry. Syntax. Set obj3, set obj1 dot intersection of set obj2. After that, I am waiting for you to come to the difference. With the help of you, I will write it. Up to intersection, you write. I am waiting for you to come to the difference. You also write subheading. Okay, na? Now, look at. First, I will write syntax. You don't write it. Look at. set obj3 set obj3 is equal to suppose, or I will say set obj1 dot, what is that? Difference of set obj2. Which elements will come? In this case, set obj3 will get set obj1 exclusive elements of set obj1. Exclusive elements of set obj2 now. Exclusive elements of what? Set obj1. Only the elements of set obj1 will come by removing the common elements from both of them. Are you getting it? If I write set obj2 dot difference of set obj1, exclusively which elements will come? Set obj2. Are you getting? So I will call it as set obj1. Try to remember it. I can change this also. You will get it. Write down. This function is used for obtaining only the elements of set obj1. With a syntax I am writing. Only the elements of set obj1 by removing common elements from set obj1 and set obj2. By removing common elements from set obj1 and set obj2. That is called exclusively elements of set obj1 only. In the bracket if you want, that is exclusive elements of set obj1. Fine, I will give combined example for all this stuff. S1 is equal to 1020. Short example I'll write So S2 is equal to 2030. I will apply. S3 is equal to S1 dot union of S2. Print S3. So I should see that what elements you will say. S4 is equal to S1 dot intersection of S2. Intersection of S2. Print of S4. S5 is equal to S1 dot difference of S2. Print S5. Last, S6 is equal to S2 dot difference of S1. Print S6. Now outputs I am expecting from you people. Wherever there is a print statement, you need to tell the output. Yes. Still you are writing, write on. Ready? Answer is 10, 20, 30. Maybe whatever order it comes, we never bother. All elements will come, right or not? Next, please. Intersection 20. Okay, next, please. Yes, exclusive element of S1, 10. Next, yes, very good, 30. Yes, done. Special case, you write down. Special case. I write directly, printing directly, I am printing directly. S1 Ring S2 will print what? 10, 20, 30. Next, please. Print of S1 of what? S2. What is it? What is that? 20. Print of S1 minus S2. What is that? 10. Print of S2 minus S1. What is it? 30. 30. If you want here, you can write one small line. Here, the symbol in the bracket, the symbol like this is called what? What, ma? Bitwise OR. Bitwise OR. I will explain what is bitwise ORing functionality. You write down here the symbol in the bracket, that symbol name is called what? Bitwise AND. Bitwise AND. Yes. That minus, already you are aware of it. Keep it aside. This is about what? Set operations. How many operations are there? How many set operations? Union, intersection, difference. These are the set operations. Rest of them are also operations, but we do specially with this. Now coming to the another point. Symmetric difference. First you observe it. Write down. Method number, function number. 12? Yes, 12. What difference will give you? I told you just now only, and you are keeping blank face. Difference will give you what? Exclusive elements of set object 1 or exclusive element of set object 2 by removing the common elements from set object 1 and set object 2. Okay, na? Okay. Now, set symmetric difference says what? Remove the common elements and gives exclusive elements of set obj1 and set obj2 and put it into not one set. Put it into the memory. It is equal to something like what? Union only. But the difference is what? Union will give you another set. Symmetric difference will not give any other set. Are you getting? Symmetric difference gives you exclusive elements of itself and another set. Itself means what? Source set plus another set also. Exclusive elements of itself and another set, which is nothing but union operation. Sir, we can apply union operation also, no sir? Then what is the difference? Both of them are same. Union operation can put the result set into some place. Where are you? Seeing on the board and you are outside. Your signals are going outside. Where? In Amirpet or went to Maharashtra? Nagpur. Went, huh? What are you doing there? Come on. If I did not see you, you will go to Delhi also. Please come to the class. Come on. Union operation keep the result in where? Union operation will return the value, ma. Symmetric difference will not return the value. Shall I show you? Example. You are expecting example, okay? Always example you need. Because you already habituated to see mobiles. Mobile directly will give example. Yes, 2. Yes, 2. Okay, let it be. Yes, 2 is equal to 30, 40, 30, 40, 45, 67. Okay, na? Now I am saying what? S3 is equal to S1 dot union of S2. Actually, I want to show the difference. Union and symmetric difference are one and the same. What is the difference practically I am saying? Union operation will take the elements of S1 and S2, keep the result in where? S3. Print all of them, mama. S1, comma, S2, comma what? S3. See what is happening. S1 please. These elements are coming or not? S2 means what? These elements are coming or not? And what is this? Total elements are coming or not? How many sets? And set S1 is not modified. S2 is not modified. I taken the elements of S1 and S2 kept into some other set. Yes or no? Now, come on. Now I am applying S1 dot, after that, symmetric underscore difference of what? S2. Here. S1 and S2 common elements are removed. Common elements are removed. And then exclusive elements of S1 and exclusive elements of S2 are put it in where? S1 only, not keeping in where? S3. That means who is modifying? S1. Shall I show you that? Yes. Enter a key. Print of S3. What is the value printed? Nothing is printed. What is the value? Nothing is printed in Python is what? None. None. S3. S3. Okay. S3 here. Done. S1. Okay, ma. S2. Fine. Symmetric difference is going to take you what? Okay. I just taken symmetric 1 minute. 1 minute. Underscore update. 1 minute I will give you clarity. Underscore update. Underscore update. There is one more method also called update. 1 minute. Of what? S3. Okay. S1. S2. Fine. So let me just I give the explanation of this part to what? This one. I'll just correcting once again. Coming to S1 once. Just to roll back my explanation once. S2. Okay. Now what I am saying? I gave another method explanation for this. What I am saying? Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is remove the common elements. Take which elements? 10, 20, 45, 6, 7. It will take. And it is keeping in another set. I said the thing is, next method explanation I gave for this. 10, 20, 45, 6, 7 in where? Another set. Union is different. Union is for next method explanation I am going to give. Once again, come on to the point. S3 is equal to S1 dot. What is the method name? Symmetric underscore difference of S2. Last and final. Symmetric difference removes the common elements from S1 and S2. It takes exclusive elements of S1 and S2 Keep that exclusive elements in where? S3. Difference will give you what? Only the elements of S1. Yes or no? Here it will give you what? Both S1 and S2 exclusive elements will be kept in where? S3. Print. What is that? S1. Print one by one, no problem. Print what? S2, no problem. Print what? S3. See S3. Concentrate on S3. 10, 20. 10, no 20. Next what? 45, 67. 45 and 67. What are the common elements? 30, 40. 30, 40 will not come. Are you understanding? Returning the result in where? S3. I hope you did not get confused. Actually, it's my mistake of combining that previous explanation with the union. Now I am going to that explanation. Is it okay? Any confusion? Shall I repeat once again? Not necessary. I will go to next. I will take S1 again, S2 again, S2 again. Now I am going to take symmetric difference update. Symmetric difference only. Now I am update. Which one I am updating? You see, I will write S3 is equal to S1 dot. Tell me, symmetric difference underscore update. What is the meaning of? First, you think about this update. What is that meaning? Elements of S2. Keep it in where? Update the elements of S1 with what elements? S2. But what are you getting? Symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference? Take S1 elements, S2 elements exclusively. We kept in where previously? S3. But here we are updating with what? S1. With what elements? Exclusive elements of S2. Exclusive elements of S2. And it is not going to return what? S3. Who is going to return S3? Symmetric difference. But symmetric difference update will not return any value. Which one is updating? With what? With what concept? Yes. Now see. Check it out. Print of S3. What is the value of S3? None. None. No value will come. What is its type? What is its type? Type of S3. What is the type? None type, which is yet to discuss. Now print what? Print what, ma? S1. S1. See what is coming? 10, 20, 30, 40, updated with exclusive elements of S1 and S2. What are that elements? 10, 20. And the next other element, S2. What are that elements? 45 and what is the property? Which elements are removed? Are you getting? Fine. Okay now? Yes. So that is what symmetric difference and symmetric update. Symmetric difference underscore update. Are you okay? Now. Are you okay? Now it is clear. Shall I tell you only update? Only update. So now it is overloaded, sir. I'll come to that. Let me once again. S1 is equal to student. S1 is equal to Mr. Ravi. Mr. Ravi. Only one set. S2 is equal to, I want to give what is that, you know? I want to give Python. Right. Like this. Now, I want to update S1 with what subject? I want to S1. S3 is equal to S1 dot update of S2. S1 value updated with what? What is the value of S3? Check it out. Print of what? S3. 1 minute. What is that? Which elements are updated? With what element? Print the value of S1. Ravi Python. Print what? S2. What is that? Python. Are you okay? Are you getting the difference between update, symmetric underscore difference underscore update, symmetric underscore difference? When three things are coming, sir, mind is not working, sir. If you remember, number one, on the way, coming on the way, going on the way, you have to think about three things today. If you concentrate on this for few minutes, you will remember. Last and final. Symmetric underscore difference, symmetric underscore difference underscore update. Who will return and who will not return? Who will return? Symmetric underscore difference returns unique exclusive elements of source set and destination set into some result set. Yes or no? Symmetric underscore difference underscore update. Source set updated with what elements? Unique elements of S1, unique elements of S2. By removing which set is updating? S1. Source set is. Is it returning? If at all you take the return type variable, what is the type of return type variable? None type. Are you understanding? Update also? What is an update? Set object 1 dot update of set object 2. Set object 1 is updated with the values of set object 2 without returning anything. Clear? Shall I move? Yes. Don't feel burden. I can remove. I can skip off. When I skip off, what will happen? You will become poor student. I will give 100 rupees. Happily keeping in that. I will give this many rupees. You will set sir where to keep. That time you have to bring daily this much bag to store Python subject. Are you getting? So I will ask this question very up to 10 days. Whoever I like randomly I will ask this question. So far I did not open the next weapon asking questions in the class. My one of the best habit is asking questions in the class. Did not open that weapon so far because when I ask questions, people will fear. And people may feel that sir is insulting. Is it insulting? When if you take a sportive, there are a lot of benefits are there. Suppose if I ask a question to somebody, he will be alert tomorrow. He will read the notes, at least open the notes. That fear is there. Not fear. Standing in the class, everybody will see. If you answer, even if you see outside, they will think, he is a good student. If you don't answer, you will see that you don't know anything. You will just stand up. At least for the prestige purpose, you will start opening the Python notes. Shall I ask the questions in the class? How many will support this policy to me? Not raising the hand, seeing adjacent students. Okay, very good. I like it. Of course, not wholeheartedly. I understand your feelings also. I don't ask questions, but whenever I get a doubt, two doubts will be there in my mind. Very good student, I will ask the question. Very worst student also, I will ask the question. And you may be there in the both the sets. How you think it is there with you? Shall I move forward? Right, ma. Write down. Symmetric difference. This function is used for little fast. Is used for obtaining. Not saying. Exclusive elements of both the sets by removing common elements, and placing those elements in resultant set object. Perfect. Syntax. Resultant set object is equal to set object 1 dot symmetric difference of set object to 2. Immediate example. S1 is equal to 1020, 30, 40. S2 is equal to 30, 40, 45, 65. S3 is equal to S1 dot symmetric difference of S2. Print S3. Output is 1020, 45, 65. 45, 65. Ma. It's like a delta B. A delta B. If you know mathematics, A union B minus A intersection B. That mathematics related. A union B minus A intersection B. Exactly. Actually, that formula is called A delta B. Delta. What delta, sir? We learned somewhere and gone out, sir. When I am saying delta, yes, sir. No mokamatams. Because even if you say like that, I am not a 2 years faculty or something. I can just, if I see you like a thermometer, I will tell you the temperature of your Python. Yes. That is what my PhD also says. In student face reading, there are 123 face readings are there. If a student is understanding well how you look like, if a student is not understanding how you look like, if a student is understanding of and not understanding of how you look like, I can everything understand. Really? Amma, when you keep the mask, I cannot understand. Okay, let it be, whatever it is. Next, 12th, 13, ma. So its time is over. Next, we will write subheading. Next class I will discuss. Underscore update. One more also I will keep it. What is the 14th method? Ma? Update. Update. Okay. You just keep only 13th method subheading. Other thing I will come and I will write. Next there is one more 15th method is also there. That is copy. You know already copy. What is the copy? Shallow copy. I am saying shallow copy, you are saying deep copy again. Copy function is used for what? Shallow copy. I am asking deep copy. Whatever I am asking, you have to say. Copy function is used for what? That only. Am I saying deep copy there? Deep copy possible or not possible in sets? Possible or not possible? Now you got a doubt. Possible or not possible? Possible? Not possible. Why? If I take everything, if I modify one set, it is supposed to modify another set also or not? Possible or not possible, you decide. And don't take my words as it is. Possible or not possible, still I am on the wall. I may jump this side or jump that side. Okay, let it be. The next day when I come back, I will discuss. Okay, up to that, today we completed. Intersection is equal to which operator? Intersection. Bitwise and no. Bitwise and union. Yes. Difference minus. Okay, na? So we'll stop now. And Monday, 2 batches are starting newly. Monday, 2 batches are starting newly. Monday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. new core Java batch. New core Java batch. New core Java. It is both offline as well as online. It is both offline as well as online. Next on the same day, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. New Python batch. Completely morning 7 to evening 8. I am in the class. Morning 7 o'clock class starts. Evening 8 p.m. class over. New batches Monday. These are the new batches. Here we are, new batches on Monday class. Any friends are there? Please refer. Okay? Right. Thank you. And dear students, notes is already uploaded. Notes is uploaded in the Google Drive up to list category. This I will upload on Monday. Right? Thank you.